Good afternoon, everyone, and here to do our Friday afternoon update from City Hall. Need to report that right now Nelson County has had 32 COVID cases. Only one is still hospitalized, and 3 are home under quarantine. And we can report that 28 have been released from quarantine, so that's really good news. Some of the biggest news this week was the announcement of Governor Beshear that we will have I think it started today, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at Walmart. There's going to be a drive-through testing site available from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. to anyone. And all you need to do is go online to their site. It says, Do I Need COVID-19 Test.com. Do I Need COVID-19 Test.com. It is by appointment, so that's where you have to go to set your appointment to do the drive-through testing at Walmart. So that gives us Walmart, Hard Memorial Health Clinic, and First Care as the 3 sites for drive-through testing. Other news is we have delivered and mailed all the checks this week to the 95 businesses that were recipients of our grant program for the relief, right at $120,000. So we're really happy to finish that project and help these people get on their feet. Also this week, we started taking orders for masks from businesses. They're not surgical masks, but they're just masks that could be used to help you provide enough masks for your employees and or your customers that come into your business. Happy to report that we have taken orders for 30,000 masks this week. And Judge Watts and I discussed it this afternoon. We know that we have some large employers who may need to order more than the 1,000 limit that we have, so we have increased the limit to 5,000 masks that can be ordered by businesses here at City Hall. So continue to call City Hall or come to our drive-through to place your orders, and then we'll work with our EMS partners to get them delivered, or you can pick them up there at EMS. Also, kind of sad to announce that based on all the guidelines from the health department and the governor, it's just no way for us to open our city pool this coming summer. It was going to be way up into July, and that's just a little bit too late in the year for us to be able to do all the expenditures we need to do to get it open and then have such a short season. So it's just not going to work for us this year, but we'll be ready next year. And last but not least, another big announcement I'm happy to say today is that part of our COVID-19 recovery task force, we've been working all this week to work on a temporary relief for our restaurants. And that would be to help them add additional outside seating and dining capacity to their restaurants. We are working on the application process and all the guidelines. And I hope to be issuing an executive order on that Monday so that our restaurants, both in downtown and all around town, will have some ability to enhance their numbers of outside seating due to the restrictions they have on indoor seating at 33% capacity. So we think this is going to be great news for our restaurants when they are getting ready to open and help them get back up on their feet. So thank you, have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week.